Hello everyone, welcome to the first video. This is a 1990 Land Rover Defender 110. Hopefully we're going to be restoring it across the series, and in this video we'll do an overview and small projects such as the steps. We have given the car a bit of a clean. You can't really see it apart from the bumper and the bull bar, but the paint does need restoring and touch up anyway. Doing a quick overview of the exterior of the car, you can see the paintwork is damaged, and rust, and the rear cross member is obviously severe damage, but it can all be repaired. Generally the back is alright apart from the rust on the rear cross member, and there's a bit of mould on the tyre because there's a cover on it. If I open the generally alright. The rugs, old rugs, for soundproofing, but apart from the mould on here, these aren't in the worst condition. There's mould on the roof, but nothing that can't be sorted out. 11 or 12-seater, 11-seater, 5-door county station wagon. There is more damage on the bulkhead, along with rust there, and more superficial damage, such as the light and the rubber wearing away there. There is also the bumper, which is bent, and there are holes in it, unfortunately. More damage to the bulkhead, which will need repairs. So I open the door, which is also broken. There's more damage down by here, through the bulkhead, which is pretty common for a Defender. Yeah, there's more damage along that. But there's 100. All right, we have the current battery here. As far as I know, it doesn't work. It's about 7 or 8 years old. It was the one already in the Land Rover. We're gonna try and put it in now. The battery's in. It uses these cables. I'm gonna try it anyway. As far as I know, it doesn't work. Is it good enough? It did have 2 batteries, but we only need the one. Oops. Oh, can you get the keys? Thank you. Nothing.
This has a 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. This is the Garrett turbo. As far as we know, it does not work. All the fluids need replacing, as you can see. There is damage to the bulkhead. Here's a rag. And there is a hole right there. Oh no, that's asbestos.
We have a battery, we're just gonna see if the car turns over now. So we've got the battery in. Now it's making clicking sound. So I'm not sure if it's in the fuse box. The CD player was spinning. Finally got lights. The windscreen wipers are going. Oh, almost. On.
What? Turn this off.
What's that?
It's your brake stuck on.
I think it's good now.
There's the stones underneath. More brakes. So we just got something else there. Oh, diesel lights. Yeah. Is that diesel? My glasses on. Yeah, that was a diesel light. You're low on diesel.
Yeah.